Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Fortnite mobile crashing, right? First you need to basically make sure that you have updated your game, and if it's still crashing, what you can do is come here to your settings, okay, scroll down. I want you to click on app management, app list, and then look for Fortnite, okay? So what we'll be doing once we find Fortnite, should find it around F. So if I scroll up here, there we go. So you want to come here, click on storage and cache, clear the storage, clear the cache. That usually helps fix the issue. Or if that still doesn't work, then go ahead and completely uninstall this app, reinstall it again, right? Delete Fortnite, reinstall it again from the Epic Game Store, and then that usually fixes the issue. And if it's still bringing problems, just check your minimum requirements, because Fortnite is a high fidelity game that is compatible with devices that run a certain operating systems, and it needs certain processors. So let me show you mine. Mine can smoothly run this. As you can see, it has a good CPU, RAM, and things like that. Make sure you are on the latest Android version as well, right? And that should fix your issue. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.